Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Just a quick video, quick unboxing. This was actually sent over from Frank Shaving. They did contact me. I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. I haven't really done any new products other than the Defender razor, which sort of failed miserably or didn't do very well. But anyway, this arrived today. This little parcel here. I've got no idea what's in it. I don't even know whether it's a brush or a razor. I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you, what Frank Shaving sort of specialise in. But Frank reached out. I'll just slice it open with one of my old... Right, so it is a brush. So there is the box. So it's quite a nice bit of packaging there. Nice sort of holographic, well I say holographic, just glossy. Established in 2000, Frank Shaving Grooming Industrial Limited. Highly professional manufacturer of fine shaving brushes. Now, I'm not sure what's in here, what we got. So that's your sort of brush instructions, what to do and what not to do. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. So we have got some badger here, I think, unless it's synthetic badger, but it definitely looks like soft normal badger here. Wrapped up in there. There's a little bit of tape holding that on. I might be able to just slide that out. There we go. Oh, that is a very nice looking little brush. And I tell you right now, I'm trying to give it my tail's nice and soft. The finish on that, there is a couple of little bits, I think that's, I don't know whether you can see them, just in this little groove here, a couple of little bits of glue, but the actual finish on the turn is flawless. It is absolutely immaculate. It's a good bit of weight to it. I do like a bit of length in a handle now. I never used to, but I do like it. You get a lot less mess between the knot and this part of the handle here. So your lather generally ends up on this part, and this part stays lather 3 for holding on. But the finish on it is spot on. I love this colour. I love mint green. I love black. I can't really go wrong. It's got that lovely, funky, horrible badger smell. And this knot actually feels quite soft. Let me just run a bit of water. Let's get a bit of water on it, see what happens. It's not a very dense knot. As you can probably see, I'll just give you an idea. I'm not sure on the size of this. I would say that's probably about a 24mm. But you can see when I squeeze it, it goes quite small, just in comparison. That's the amount of hair in a rhodium knot. Now that's obviously a 28mm knot, it's a bit different. You can squeeze that a bit more. You can see the tips. I wouldn't say it's a gel tip knot, but they're definitely gelling a little bit just on the tips here, but it feels lovely and soft on the tips, so it's a very nice little brush. I'm quite surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be such a high standard, if I'm brutally honest, but that'll annoy me, that little bit of glue. I think that'll actually come off, so hopefully by the time I do shave with it, I'll have just scraped that tiny little bit of glue off there. I'm assuming this is 2 parts that were glued together, that part and that part. But a very nice looking little brush. Thank you very much to Frank Shaving for sending it over. I will give this some use and get stuck into it, give it an honest review as I always do. But so far, first impression is so good. Good solid brush. They are made in China. Some people won't want stuff out of China, that is the way the world is these days. I don't generally promote or buy stuff from China, but at the end of the day, some people can't afford to buy Morrison Fondrens and rhodium knots, and these are an excellent alternative. Most of your brushes at West Coast Shaving and things like that, a lot of the brushes that are out there come from China. That's the way it is. The hair comes from China. I think all badger hair comes from China. So if you're using a badger brush, but you're against China, so it's a bit hard. The world's a very screwed up place. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys for a review of that brush next time. Cheers.